Hey guys, Dev here. Are looking for Stoodaio 2.0 review? Then this is the right video for you. So today I'm going to show you AI web app Stoodaio 2.0 will write, create, host, publish and syndicate videos for any niche in less than 3 minutes with my personal ratings. And make sure you stay until the end because I'll show you all the step-by-step video demo, software pricing, discounts, bonus and ratings so you know what you're getting into if you decide to buy Stoodaio 2.0. Before we begin, I must warn you that this software is only available on their official website. In between the review you decide to purchase this software, go ahead. To make your search easier, I gave the official link in the description. Let's get started. Is it really possible for real artificial intelligence to create profit-producing videos for you in under 3 minutes? The answer is yes. Well, that's exactly what I'm here to reveal to you today. Stoodaio was built with an artificial intelligence that can produce scripts, convert scripts to voiceovers and also translates it to different languages. In Stoodaio you are given a lot of resources that can help you create stunning videos and even voiceovers. Furthermore, Stoodaio 2.0 is a tool that helps video creator create stunning videos without a lot of effort in the technical aspect. Joshua Zamora is a software creator and has created a lot of softwares using the jvzoo platform that has over 120,000 active happy users currently. Stoodaio 2.0 features and benefits. Stoodaio will write video script for you. Like I said earlier on, you don't need to hire freelancers that might disappoint you. 2. Stoodaio is very easy to use. It has a very clean interface that even a beginner will resonate with instantly. 3. Stoodaio is a 4-in-1 video creation app. Really good for people that major in video marketing. For just a click will turn a ready-made script and a voiceover to a stunning video clip. This has dealt with the stress that video marketers go through. 5. Stoodaio present to you done for you videos in any niches and in any language. You can use them to promote almost any kind of product. Let's me show some demo how this AI apps works. Stoodaio pricing and upsells. You can grab the Stoodaio in 3 different offers. 1. Stoodaio 2.0 Agency Front-End Purchase. 2. Stoodaio 2.0 Total Bundle Deal Purchase. 3. Stoodaio 2.0 Bundle Split Pay. Stoodaio Agency Front-End. You can get front-end Stoodaio Lite at $33, but the problem is you can't able to grab agency license to use for clients. It was only available one update Stoodaio which cost you $77. Stoodaio Total Bundle Deal. You can access the entire Stoodaio software for Stoodaio 2.0 Bundle Split Pay. This offer may differ over time, so please check the sales page for more info. Toes. Stoodaio Agency Plus. Stoodaio Booster. Stoodaio White Label for those that want to put their company's logo, name, and domain on the software. And Stoodaio Voice. And this software comes with a money-back guarantee of 100%, but take advantage of limited time offers. Click the link in the description, get it now for the one-time discount you if you are interested. Stoodaio Bonus. Plus, when you create your account today, you'll also be securing these 6 amazing bonuses. Bonus 1, free access to their agency license. Bonus 2, premium video hosting included for free. Bonus 3, instant publishing to video page. Bonus 4, unlock all niche templates to create videos for any service niche or industry. Bonus 5, unlock all language to create videos on a global level. Bonus 6, high quality video syndications to start getting traffic now. Ratings. The things I like is its concepts and app AI performance. It's super fast and easy to use. One of the key features, it's very helpful for video and content creator. The things I don't like is the pricing. It's bit high for beginners who enter into the market. So overall, I gave 4.2 rating for Stoodaio 2.0. That's all for now, guys. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, it will be very useful to me in the long run.